So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and many of the subscribers are asking about how to register in the Imagine Cup. You are completely new and you don't know how to register. So in this video I'll share how to register in it and how to form a team, because we are getting only the two queries which many people are asking. So without any delay, let's get started. And if you're new to this channel, do subscribe the channel and hype the video. You can clearly see I have shared multiple videos regarding multiple events. Make sure to check it out. If you want to know about the event, check that video. Now coming directly to the home page, here you have to I'll share the link, click on it to register over here. And once you click on register, you'll be redirected over here. Now you can see we are getting some free credits, some chance to build up teams, and just join the Imagine Cup sprint for learning purpose. Now click on the register now here. Now once you click on register now, you'll be redirected to sign into your Microsoft account. Okay. Now here, if you don't have a Microsoft account, just simply create one. And here I am hiding because as per the guidelines, we are not allowed to share the details. Here simply you have to create a Microsoft account or just sign in if you already have. Once you are signed in, your basic information page will be open. Here your name will be directly fetched from the Microsoft account. So make sure that you are writing everything correctly. Now here you have to mention basic details like LinkedIn profile, gender and state, district, all the things, college, school labels, and you have to come down and simply enter all the details, whichever. It's a global event, so anyone can take part in it, whether you are college, school or undergraduate or any faculty also. Now from where you came to know about the event, you can just mention other and just mention the channel link. Okay, I've shared it in the description box. Like this, you have to just copy in the description and just paste over here. Now if you have any top skills, you can just mention over here, and at last you have to just click on accept. So once you click on accept, after that you'll be able to reach to the next page where you have to just simply click on get started and you can start your journey. There you'll see multiple options, so let's decode it and let me show you. Once you are completed all the details, you have to simply click on accept. I'm repeating the steps again. You have to mention your personal LinkedIn ID. Okay, do not use any other. Now you have to just click on this get started, and let me show you how to form a team, because many people are facing issues regarding how to create a team also over here. So once you click on get started, you'll be redirected to the next page. You can see this is our page, and here the event has been already started. Now here you can see how to unlock the credits, how to build a team. We'll cover each and everything. First, building a team. So click on create and manage team. So once you click on create and manage team, okay, I will cover all the things like how to get the credits and all things. Do not worry about it. So first we'll just move towards the your team and startup details. So let me just show you how you have to do it. So here you can see create and manage team. You have to simply click on it, and from here you can see create team, create one. You can take part individually also or form a team also. So if you form a team, it will become easier for you to distribute the workload. Now here simply enter your name, whatever your name is there. You can enter your government ID name also, or you can just make your team name also. Like I'm just writing this like this. You have to mention your team name. After that, if you have any ideas like which technologies you're using, you have to fill it, and your university, and about your startup, about your team, like basic description you have to make. And if you want to make your team public, you have to just make this checkbox and save it. If you want to make your team private, you can just make it private. Now here you have to mention like whatever you want to be, like what is your team about, what is your teammate skills. You can mention it's about your team. You can write anything. Okay, you can take help from the AI also for writing, but just don't copy anything randomly. And about your startup, okay, about your startup, like whatever you are trying to build, you have to mention over there. Okay, so like you can mention that we are building anything like related to health, medical or any other like business and concierge track. And here you have to add your social handles if you have any, and then just save it. After you save it, your teams are live. And how to add your teammates if you are forming a team, you have to click on manage, and from here only once you see manage team over here. Okay, now here you can see that here add members and email address. You have to just make their email address over here and send invite. After that they will join over here. You can form a team photo also. All the details are covered. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day.